Because there's lots of things to get right, for the time being, I think we should just stay with a silver propeller. The reason why is because we've got a new black anodized propeller, and the plating could be wrong, or if we want to make any changes, then we have to send it to a third party. So I think, and also this silver propeller, it seems a lot more balanced because it's not got maybe any liquid on the side. So I think for the time being, we just stay with the silver one. People said that they don't like the light, but it's a small consequence for the time being. So it's a very small detail, but it's really annoying because this like little connector is just too small and fiddly. So because the likelihood is that I'm going to have to change out these motors. I've decided that it's better to use a slightly bigger connector that you can actually grip and hold. So it fits nicely. So I've already retrofit it into the product, and you can see there that it's just goes up against the bar on the back. So it just makes it much easier to actually then change this motor. So it's like an easier clip mechanism.